how to give Xero access in 2025. Managing who can access your Xero account and under what roles is a crucial skill, especially if you're running a business or working as part of a team. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure you can easily and securely add a new user to your Xero account. To get started, open your web browser and log into your Xero account. This will take you to your dashboard. From there, navigate to the Settings tab located on the main menu. Depending on your version of Xero, you might see Settings, followed directly by Users, or you might need to click through General Settings before you see the Users option. Once you've located it, click to open the Users section. Next, it's time to invite a new user. In the Users section, look for a button labeled Invite a User or Add a User. This small action allows you to begin the process of including another person in your Xero environment. You'll then need to fill out some crucial details. Begin by entering the email address of the person you want to invite. Make sure it's an address they have regular access to, as this is where their invitation will be sent. Following this, fill in their first and last name to complete the personal details section. After that, it's important to assign them a user role that matches the level of access they should have. Xero offers several roles, so think about the responsibilities and tasks this new user will handle. You might choose a standard role if they need full access to invoices, bills, and reports. Alternatively, invoice only might be suitable for someone who just needs to create and send invoices. For someone who should only view reports without editing anything, select read only. Perhaps they're an accountant who requires full access to all functions. In that case, choose the advisor accountant role. Remember, you can also customize permissions for specific modules like payroll, purchases, or bank accounts depending on what access they actually need. Once you've selected their role and permissions, you're ready to send the invitation. Click the button that says Send Invite. This action triggers an email sent to the new user with the details on how to join and set up their access to the account. They'll receive instructions on creating their Xero login, walking them through the next steps they need to take. Once the user accepts your invitation, circle back to the user section to check the user's list. Here you can verify their role and the permissions you've assigned. If necessary, test the access to ensure that the new user can perform all the tasks required of them without any issues. This final confirmation step ensures that everything is set up correctly and the new user can get started in Xero without delay. And that's it. You've successfully